Till now, we have used Notepad to write Java classes and command prompt to compile and execute the code. This process seems to be a little tough and time consuming. Is there any way to speed up this process? Is there any technique to write the code and we don't have to execute same commands again and again? As syntax of Java is fixed, don't we have something which can tell if one has typed something wrong? Well, there is actually something that can resolve all these problems. We can speed up our process of writing code and just a click can execute the code. Also, without using command prompt, we can see output in the same window. Moreover, as soon as we type something, it will complain if we are going wrong. Sounds interesting now? All the features we just wished for are provided by an IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment. Eclipse is one of the organizations providing such IDE. You must be thinking, if there exists such IDE, then why didn't we use that from the very beginning? Well, the answer is to be aware of original approach. What's actually going on and how to do that? When we use an IDE, we will just click and get our results. But we will never learn what is going behind the scenes. So to understand the language in better way, how to compile and execute the code, all this could only be learned using the original approach only. Also, before these IDEs came into picture, using simple Notepad and command prompt was the only approach. Since we have learned how to execute Java code manually, now we can move towards IDE. To start with Eclipse IDE, go to Google and type Eclipse. There are two ways to get Eclipse set up. One is through installer and other is to download zip package. Whatever method suits you, go for it. If you have installed the setup, then start it, or if you have downloaded the zip package, then unzip in any folder of your choice and open it. It will ask you for workspace, which is basically the location of directory in which all your projects are going to be. Choose any location as per your convenience and you are done with the Eclipse setup. In next video, I will walk you through the project creation, a brief of all the topics we already have discussed using this IDE now, along with compilation and execution of Java programs, so that you are familiar to uses of Eclipse IDE.